Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hayden from HHWCUSTOMS.com. Today I'm going to be talking about this Ferrari SF90. Now this is a stock body. This is the main line that released, I guess by the time you're seeing this, a month or two ago. And I've had this for quite some time. I actually got it a little bit ahead of everyone else because I got it unspun from one of my buddies, and I immediately knew that I needed to do something for it. I think that the AERO and the design of it, it's good, don't get me wrong, but it's just not for me. It's not what I want to see on these kind of cars. And I will say though that the interior and the engine, they are very nicely done, so I am really happy with that. But I just know I need to do something different, so I went ahead and I made a complete drop-in interior and base and engine, I guess, for this car. Now this is a different style compared to what a lot of people are going to see on Ferraris that they do, because I decided to go crazy with the AERO to it. So you can see at the front, to put it on, you can see at the front we have this massive front splitter with a lot more aggressive, I guess you can call them like canards a little bit, but they're not stuck to the body. And then it just you know, it's really oversized, which I think that looks super cool even from the side. Look at that. And then for the side itself of the car, you can see we have these side skirts, and they're actually pushed out way more. I forget the exact measurement, but I want to say like 3 millimeters, 2.5 out of the actual body. And again, custom AERO going on in there, a bunch of little things. And then finally the rear is the diffuser and these little vents, I guess. I don't know, they're like glorified vents and they have a light in them, but they're more detailed now, and I made sure all these had their own individual lines because the stock one had them, but they weren't as big. So I wanted to add more of them and make it way more aggressive looking. So I went ahead and did that, and you could see on the inside itself here too, I went and did the interior as well. So this is pretty much stock interior. I don't think I touched it. I just did like my version of it, which honestly I think I could have done better, but I think a lot of people aren't going to see it. But also, you know, you don't need to go full race car with this kind of thing. It already kind of is. So I went ahead and did the steering wheel the same, dash, and I just all I did really was make the engine more detailed, and even that is not that crazily detailed like some of my other stuff is, just because, again, it's going to be covered up. You want to make it simple to paint. Otherwise, people are going to be intimidated to do it. So all you have to do to get this kit to fit is just cut these two little stems off the front of the windows, and that's it. You don't even have to do any sanding or cutting to the car. As I mentioned before, this isn't unspun, so I really didn't do any cutting to this at all. No cutting, no drilling, no sanding, nothing. Obviously castings may vary, but this is a direct, this is a direct fit. There you go. And just overall, I think just an upgrade in my opinion. I know a lot of people aren't going to like this. A lot of people are going to say, why are you messing with Ferraris and stuff like this? Because some people see them as art. I just see it as another car, because why not? It's fun. Do something fun. I went and did these wheels, so to get a fitment idea on it. I'm going to be painting this very soon, but I think it looks cool. So this still fits the 10 by 10s, and it rolls pretty nice too. And all I did was just put the axles in. I didn't do any anything fancy to them. It's just a 3-piece axles, and it rolls right in. So let me know your guys' thoughts on this kit. I do like making this kind of crazy stuff that people wouldn't see, just like the Pikes Peak for the 62 Chevy and some other stuff I've done. So let me know your guys' thoughts if you guys like this kind of style of 3D print for these kind of cars. I mean, again, this is a really unexpected casting, so I don't think many people are going to make anything for it, so I'm hoping to be the only one. So let me know your thoughts on the kit, if I should make more stuff like this for other cars, because this definitely was a lot of fun. That being said, if you guys are interested in this kit, I have it for sale right now at HHWCUSTOMS.com. It's gonna come unpainted, just like this. It'll come just like that, and that way you guys can paint it and detail it however you want. But yeah, let's see. Hopefully nothing happens. I know Ferrari is infamous for sending out cease and desist letters, and I've already gotten one from some other company. So we'll see how long this lasts. So if you guys are interested, I'd say go grab it right now. I don't anticipate making or holding stock of these because I doubt anyone's really going to do this kind of custom to it. But still cool to have nonetheless. So yeah, go check out my website, HHWCUSTOMS.com, if you guys are interested. This will be on the newly listed tab. There's also be a link down in the description below. You guys can go check it out there. And check my Instagram for the final results on how I paint it and detail it and all that stuff, because I think I'm also going to get rid of this red. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.